Hi friends, I'm Amit Vikas. What I'm going to discuss today is why is it necessary for us to meditate? Basically, we have stopped meditating in our life. What we really are doing is that we are running after the luxuries of the life and just going on after it day after day. So, let's start it right from the beginning of the life. A child is born. He learns how to speak, he learns how to eat, he learns how to walk, he learns many other things. So basically, after learning these things, he starts growing on, and as he grows, he's put in this school. In this school, he goes classes after class, and henceforth he is promoted onwards. After being promoted, normally the child thinks of a particular goal in his life, which is a fantasy in the Indian society really. Something we can become a scientist, something I'll become an engineer, something I'll become a doctor. But what really happens? The conclusion is that after their schooling and their college, some can fulfill their dreams while others remain flowing as per the course of their life. So, what was the reason behind that? The general reason that I presume is the lack of meditation, the lack of meditating and thinking the right way towards approaching the goal. After achieving the goal, what does the child do? He just goes on working. After that, he's married, he has his own family. After that, his retired life, and eventually he dies away. So, what did he achieve in life? That's the big question that I'm asking today. What did he do his entire life? Was it a fruitful life? Many may think it as a fruitful life, but in my sense, I don't think it as so. So basically, what I think is that we should meditate each day. Every day, we should look onto our deeds, what we have done the entire day. By doing so, what we can see is that what we have done with our life. Normally, after we set up a goal, suppose I set up that I need to become an engineer. So, at the end of the day, I would end up thinking what I have done the entire day and did those deeds help in approaching my goal of becoming an engineer. So, this could make a really big difference. I can't guarantee that ultimately I'll become an engineer. But yes, the percentage would be very high. So, another benefit of this particular process of meditation is that we can also start over. It's never too late in life. Sometimes we think that we have spoiled our life. We get into deep depression during our school days, during our work, even in our workplace, when we don't achieve the desired results. So, once we start meditating, we can look into what's got wrong. Normally, whenever we play a game, what really happens is that when we lose in that particular game, we just don't leave the game. We start over. So life is the same. If we treat life as a game, We can also start over once we feel that we have failed at a particular stage. But it's necessary for us to identify the situation that we have really failed at a particular stage, and this can only be achieved by meditating regularly. So friends, I suggest you keep on meditating in your life. It will make a big and very big difference. Thanks. Bye.